Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. Good Sunday morning, everybody. Well, for me it's Saturday, but we're out at one of Travis's fields right now, finishing up the soybeans here. So I actually thought this was our last field until like 2 days ago. Then I realized that Travis still has like 15 to 20 acres of beans across from the farm. So we actually have 2 farms left to go, but we should be able to finish this probably by Monday. We should be totally ready to go. The big limiting factor is the hours that the elevator is working. So the park's big red down on the end of the field. We're walking over to the 4640, which is on the other side of the field where Travis is harvesting his beans right now. Look at those huge eyesores off in the distance. I'm pretty sure that's the ITC ATC line, and I think it goes from Madison out into Iowa. At least that's the plan. They haven't got it completely done yet, but they don't even have the wires strung up. They just have the towers put up, and those are some freaking tall towers. Water bales over there. I've got to get myself some of that net wrap. We're heading to Hazel Green because they're not taking grain this weekend in Dubuque. As of today, we are 12 days into harvest. We're heading back to Hazel Green. because Dubuque isn't open on the weekend and taking grain. So they are taking over at Hazel. Seems that they did get their grain leg fixed from the last time we were here. So the only thing I don't like about hauling to Hazel Green is that you have to feed in really slow because the grain leg can't take the grain as fast as the jump auger can take it. So it just takes a little bit longer. You have to feed out a lot slower, and if there's a line, then you might be waiting here for a good 30 minutes at least. We're all done on this farm. It's after 5 o'clock now, so I don't have time to make it back down to Hazel Green because they're closed. But we're probably gonna take the head off the combine, take that back to the farm, take the grain truck back to the farm, and then we'll come back up to get the combine and this. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All How Farms Work. And with that, I'll see you next time.